Okay, so when it's time for your group to do the asphalt, get your aggregate out of the oven. Remember to use gloves. This is considerably hotter than any of the other oven temperatures that we've been using so far. Don't put asphalt in the bowl. It gets very sticky. Use one of the bowls from the oven that we've already been using. Put this on your scale. You'll want to zero your scale. And pour your aggregates into the bowl. You're making a small well in the middle. This is what we're using to put to trigger the asphalt flow, the binder flow into the aggregate. Okay, now you have the quantity of asphalt to put in that you've determined in class already. So as you're putting this in, when it gets close to the quantity that you need, stop it because this takes a bit, it continues to dribble a bit after it's been turned off. Okay, I'll have our, okay? All right. Okay, when you have the correct amount of binder in, we're going to mix it. Get a hot spoon, mixing spoon from the oven. And mix it till everything is black. Okay. Now, while this is being mixed, one of your other group members can go and get the molds from the oven and prepare the molds. So when you have the hot mold, you put a paper disc in the bottom of the mold. When your asphalt is fully mixed, it should be totally black. We may have some problems with this. Normally you would take your mixed combined asphalt and put it back in the oven to reach compaction temperature, but because of time constraints, we don't do that in this lab. We'll place it directly in the mold on top of the paper disc. There's also a trough that should be used for putting the asphalt into the mold, which also takes more time than we have in this lab. Get all of the asphalt in. You would also normally rod your mixture, but not in this lab. Put another paper disc directly on the top. Okay, this goes onto our Marshall pencil. This is getting a hammer that has been warming up on a hot plate. And two people have to work this, so one holds, the other will lift the hammer for 50 blows. Okay, on each side. Yeah, drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, next one. 41. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, at this point, Your sample's been compacted. Disassemble your mold. Okay, you have your compacted sample here. This needs to cool for about 20 minutes. If it's cold outside, as it is in the winter semester, you can put it outside, kind of watch it for about 20 minutes until it's actually just cool to touch the outside. Don't touch it until it after it's cooled for a while.